Hey, hello everyone. So today let's talk about the video mainly I'm doing is about the top 10 Linux commands which we do in our day-to-day activities. So let's start about search. Here I have taken one AWS EC2 instances. So I have took that Linux instance, and now I am going to show the top 10 Linux commands which is used in the day-to-day life. So let's talk about one by one. So first, I have what are the things I am going to speak today is I have kept one in the temp folder. I have in the there is something called top 10 commands.txt. So today I am going to explain about the commands ls, cd, pwd, make directory, rm, which we will be removing the to remove the files and directories we are going to use, and cp to copy from the file or the directory from one location to another location. We use that. mv is the move command which will be used to rename the file or the folder, and cat command is mostly used to get the content within the text file. So that is majorly used. So what is there in the text file, if you want to read that, cat command is used in day-to-day life where we have the Linux environment. So the next is the grep. So grep is nothing but in order to find out the so what is the content which is present in the file, if you want to debug anything, so that is really very much helpful. The next one is the sudo command. The sudo command is mainly used to switch the user. For example, if we are using the other user and if you want to switch to the root user, so there will be many users in the real time. So in that scenario, the sudo command is very much helpful. Let's yeah, get on to that command through the some examples. So let's talk about the so if you want to, as it is clumsy, so let me clear this. So all the now it is neat and clean, and now let's see about the ls command. The ls command is nothing but to list the files and directory. If you want to list in a very detailed manner, lsltr is a command where you can see with which user the file is created and the timestamp, and what type of is it a file or directory we can see using the ls command. So ls space hyphen ltr is it will give the timestamp, and recursively it will print all the details. So even if you want to see any hidden files within the Linux, ls-la is the command where you can see the hidden files within um, this particular directory. So let's this is a ls related commands which we use in day to day life. Let's talk about the cd command. The cd command is the change directory. Suppose if you have created any directory by name demo, so if I want to see whether the demo directory is created, we need to do using ls space hyphen ltr. We need to do the list of the all the files and directories. So here the demo directory is created now. So once this demo directory is created, now let me clear everything. And now here to need, and now we can see this, the demo directory is created. And if you want to go into the demo directory, we need to cd into that demo directory. And now where exactly, with which position or which path we are in, relative path we are in. So we using pwd command, we will be able to see that particular path where exactly we are. Pw is nothing but the present working directory, where exactly we are working in the Linux environment is, we will come to know using the pwd command. And make directory I have already showed, it is just make directory. So even in the make directory also there are some commands. If you want to create some internal subdirectory, suppose I am in temp slash demo slash, in this I want to create a subfolder by name testing, something like that. Suppose now what will happen if we use hyphen p, it will create the subfolder. Suppose if I do ls space hyphen ltr, now you are able to see the testing folder in the demo. In the demo main folder, you are able to see the testing subfolder. Now let's see about rm command, which will to remove the files. For example, let me using the touch command, we will be able to create the text file. Okay, one text file, and I am creating one directory. So let me create one directory by name testing purpose. Now there is here, if you see, there is one text file and one directory. Suppose if I want to remove a text file, I just want to do rm file dot txt. So now where are we exactly in the testing? In the testing, there are three files. So rm test dot txt. So this removes the test.txt folder. Suppose if I use the same command for the testing purpose, so as it is a directory, I cannot use the same rm command. So for to remove the directory, we need to use rm minus r. And suppose if you want to give any if you want to get any notification or any pop-up before, if we are deleting the directory, you need to use the I. So it is the informative, so you just need to do the testing purpose. And here if you want to remove the directory, yes or no, just you need to create yes. So that's how the testing purpose directory will be created. And there is one more command called rm-rf. So that is to forcefully remove the directory. So that mostly rm-ra is a better way to use. So we will just get the pop-up before deleting, so we can make sure like whether to delete or not in the real-time environment. So that's about the rm command. Now let's talk about the copy files from one directory to the another directory. Now all the files in the testing folder are deleted. Now what I'll do, I'll copy the file name, that test.txt. Okay, I have created test.txt. Now if you see, the test.txt is created, vi test.txt, and within this particular test.txt, I am I use vi as a text editor, and here I'll insert. So this uh, file file is created for testing purpose. Okay, so this is how we do it. So once this is done, we'll save and quit it. And now I will copy from temp demo testing to, so I will copy to cd slash home slash user. So let me see about this, where exactly I am. So okay, cd slash home, and here in the home directory there is ec2 user. So let me go to this. So now I'm in ec2 user. Now I'll copy the temp demo testing slash, what is that I have created, test.txt to home ec2 user. So we need to do home tab, we need to press, so it will automatically commit is come ec2 hyphen user and hit enter. So now we need to see in the cd home ec2 user, we should see the test.txt should be present. So now you can see here the test.txt is present. So that is how the copy command works. Let's talk about the move command. Move is nothing but in the Windows, how the rename works, it's a similar way. For example, if I want to rename test.txt to demo.txt, so now the renaming is done. Now here you can see it is changed to demo.txt. So that is how the move command works. Now let's see, for example, within the demo.txt, what is there? Suppose if I want to insert, I need to go to the end and hit enter demo. So this is created for demo purpose. So the reason I am writing this is to I am next command I want to use is grep command. So I want to print how many times this demo word is there in this particular file. So let's talk about this. So now what I'll do, grep the variable which you want to do demo.txt and hit enter. So now what here is a small change. I need to type hyphen r as this. Okay. I think now I need got the issue. Let's see. I think here I did the capital demo and there I am searching for the small case. So that is it is case sensitive. So that is the reason it is not showing me that particular demo. So here you can see. So as the Linux is case sensitive, we need to make sure like we are typing the correct command actually. So now the last command is sudo. Sudo is nothing but it is a switch user. So execute a command. So if you want to execute any command with the admin privileges, then use the sudo. First, for example, if I want to move from EC2 user to root, I just want to sudo su hyphen. So this moves this to the root user. So now I am in the root user. So now this is how we'll come to know which. So by this one, we'll come to know which user we are presently in. So these are the top 10 Linux command which we use in day-to-day life. Hope this video is really helpful. Thanks for the watching the video. Please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.